In this video, I will show you how to make a Minecraft thumbnail. If you're new to the channel, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, turn on the notification bell, and subscribe. Now let's jump straight into the video. First, you're going to want to get the green screen picture of the players. So to do this, go into a single player world and make sure your replay mod is on. If you don't have replay mod, look up a tutorial on how to get it. Once you get in, you're going to want to build a green screen with lime concrete, like I have here. And then get your character set up however you want it to pose for the thumbnail. Once you're satisfied, you can exit the world and then go into replay mode recording. First thing you want to do once you're in the recording is switch to 30 FOV. And this will make your character take a lot more off the screen, which is good with the thumbnail. Now pause the replay mode. Once you're in a good position to take a screenshot, you're gonna press F2 and then make sure your rendered name tags is off. And then you can take the screenshot for this thumbnail. Here, I will do it again for another shot. Just do the exact same thing but in a different angle. Now, the last thing you're gonna need to do in Minecraft is get the background. So I'm gonna go into another world where I have the background built. For this part, you can either do replay mode or just take a normal screenshot, depending on what you want. But here's the set, and I'm just gonna walk back so I can take a shot, and finally here I am in rip mode. Once you have all your screenshots and photos, then you can exit the game and go to a website called Photopea. This is basically Photoshop, but it's free and pretty easy to learn. So first, you're going to make a new project and then get your backgrounds by going to open in place and find it. Then place it. Next, you're gonna just do open with the file function, and this time you're gonna open the player screenshots. Next is use this one tool and then click on the green and press the delete key on your keyboard. So do that for everywhere where it's green. After that, export it as PNG and you're done. Now I'm gonna repeat the same thing with the other player. Next, go back to your background one and then you can just add the two players from the downloads. You can move them around here, and all we're going to do left is add color blurring and layer styling. To reshape something, you can go to edit and then free transform. Once things are in position, go to layer and then layer style and click any of the options. The main ones you want to use are stroke and drop shadow. These are completely customizable, so you can do whatever you want. I am also going to add an outer glow to each player. You can add different things by just exploring the buttons. You can save time by using the copy layer style here and then paste it onto the other player. Now you learn the basics, you can do it to every photo or text you wanna add. Just change the colors based on what you like. To finish the thumbnail, you can go to File, Export as PNG, and if it's a YouTube thumbnail, make sure the quality makes it less than 2 MB since that's the max that YouTube allows. And that's it. That's the finished product. I hope that I was a big help to you. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and thanks for watching.